Hey guys, Kep here. I'm bringing you a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL unboxing and first impressions video. I'm planning on bringing a review out in the near future once I get to use this a little bit. I'm super excited. For anyone that watches this channel, you know that usually I just get budget phones. There was a really good trade-in deal on T-Mobile for this phone where I could trade in my Google Pixel 6 Pro for the 9 Pro XL, and I only had to pay $500, but then I went through Costco and they gave me $100. And I was really looking to upgrade a Pixel because I love Pixels, and I like the telephoto. So I just figured, you know what, why not? I wanted to treat myself. So I'm super excited to see this phone. I haven't heard a whole bunch about it, but let's get into it a little bit. First thing that I noticed that's a little weird is usually Google has these stickers on the side, and that's how you open it. I don't know, are you supposed to push this through? How does this work? Maybe I do pull these. Oh, I just cut my nails, so this isn't really working well. Oh, yep, looks like you do. Weird. I got the 256 gigabyte version, because that's what was on a deal from T-Mobile. I really wish that I could have gotten some of the other colors, but my wife and I are doing some traveling soon, and it wouldn't come in time for that, and I really want to get some pictures with this phone, because I think it's going to be amazing. My expectations are probably too high. Hopefully I don't get let down. Okay, let's see. Kind of dump it out of the side here. And there's the box, looks really nice. Kind of reminds me of Motorola's boxes with the cardboard and renewable stuff. Woo, look at that. A lot of people said that they don't like this bump, but I thought it looked really sweet, which is another reason I wanted to get one of these. And those cameras just look massive, at least compared to the phones that I've had. I know the 8 Pro has a pretty similar size, so this, nothing too crazy. Inside the box, you get what Google always sends. Ooh, actually a little less than what Google always sends. They usually have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Right now it's just USB-C to USB-C. And then some books that are, wow, this is like taped in here. Yeah, just some little SIM ejectors and then some other random stuff. Let's see. All right, gonna have some nice noises. Hopefully. Oh, I guess not that nice because it's paper. But hey, it's good that they're using paper instead of plastic. Oh, so satisfying. Dang, this thing is heavy. Wow, this looks really nice. Super premium. Right off the bat, I can tell that I'm not going to like that this is shiny. But I've already ordered a case, so I'm not too worried. Although, right off the bat, I'm not getting a bunch of fingerprints. This might have like an oil-phobic coating on it or something. I'm not sure. So I guess we'll get a check-in later. And then the back of this is actually pretty slippery, so I'm really glad that I got a case because this is a nice phone and I don't want to be damaging it. On the right side, we got the volume and power button. Pixel always doing their own thing and swapping these versus everyone else. We got a little antenna thing here, it looks like. A little microphone. Yeah, pretty sweet. Stick around and I'll have a review, probably like a 1-week review, and then hopefully longer term reviews as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.